Hello friends, today we are going to see the differences between Mule 3 and Mule 4 releases and upgrades. So let's start. After gaining huge popularity with Mule 3, Mulesoft decided to release Mule 4 with a drastic change. They re-implemented the engine, restructured the Mule message, wiped out Mule expression language, they redesigned error handling and many more. Due to some fundamental changes in Mule 3, many organizations already build their API platforms based on Mule 3, but now they are evaluating the Mule 4 to migrate and now they are using Mule 4. Now in this diagram we are going to see the Mule 3 versus Mule 4 releases and upgrades. Integrated and effective error handling, better application configuration with Maven, simplified event processing and messaging, DataWave 2.0 for better data handling, and project structure. Some of the differences in Mule 3 and Mule 4 are below. The first comes with Mule Runtime engine. Mule 3 helped developers to reduce development steps and increase productivity. Achieving great performance was still a challenge in Mule 3 for large enterprise volume. Mulesoft did not wait any longer and brought Mule 4. They developed a self-tuning runtime engine in Mule 4 that dynamically allocate resources, threads, and the thread pool. Project structure. Mulesoft introduced a new version of Anypoint Studio, that is version 7, that only runs Mule 4 applications, and Anypoint Studio 6.x can only run Mule 3. Mule 3 project structure is not recognized by Anypoint Studio 7.x. There were two types of projects in Mule 3, Mule project and Mulesoft application with Maven project. However, it is simplified in Mule 4 by only keeping one option. Below is the example for your reference. Mule 4 applications are Maven based now. Eventually, Anypoint Studio 7.x embeds Maven and a default configuration, which is not the case in Anypoint Studio 6.x or below. Below is the reference for Mule 4. There is also another big change in Mule 4, which is Mule 4 applications is no longer a deployable zip package. It's now actually a ZAR file. A ZAR can be distributed for deployment as well as for sharing with others. Next comes with Mule message structure. Mule message structure in Mule 3 comprised of two parts, message header and payload. Message header again consists of some properties, mainly inbound and outbound. Variables in Mule 3 are metadata of the message. However, in Mule 4, it considers more like event-based model where each Mule event consists of a message and associated variables. There is nothing called inbound or outbound properties in Mule 4. Rather, there is an attribute that contains all the headers and other relevant properties. Below is the image for your reference and it shows the differences between Mule 4 event and Mule 3 event. Next, Mule expression language is replaced by DataWave. Mule expression language is no longer available in Mule 4. They introduced DataWave 1.0 in Mule 3 in replace of their data mapper. DataWave is very simple yet powerful. It is based on functional programming and lambda calculus. Mule 4 started with DataWave version 2.0 and replaced Mule expression language with it. They added a very cool feature in this version that dumps the whole context when a DataWave script fails. Next comes with error handling. Mule 3 does not really have any specific framework to identify the error type and nature. Rather, it totally relies on developers' implementation based on Java exception. When comes with Mule 4, it has taken a step ahead and come up with some error groups, types and different way to handle them. It's much cleaner, readable and simpler now. Although Mule 4 looks great and solid, it is still considered in its young stage of development. So experiencing different types of bugs and issues are common. Few notable issues are Anypoint Studio performs really slowly when it loads lot of applications. There are some memory leakages in version 7.3.2 which is fixed recently in Anypoint Studio version 7.3.3. Below difference to show you the difference between the Mulesoft 3.x and Mulesoft 4. I will come up with few more videos. Please subscribe to my channel and keep learning. Thank you.